Hi, my name is Sharanya Ramakrishnan and I'm a doctor. I'm a graduate of Malabar Medical College, Kozhikode, and I did my internship from Government General Hospital, Kozhikode. And right now I'm preparing for my PG entrance. Wanted to talk a little bit about the Karipur airplane incident that happened on the 7th of August, which was truly devastating for all of us. It was out of nowhere, and we were already going through a rough patch with the COVID-19 pandemic, and all over the world, everyone is going through a tough time right now, and we're just being burdened by negativity from all four sides. So I just wanted to talk a little bit about the some of the good stuff that happened that day, just to bring a little bit of positivity, amidst all the stuff that's going on. So it was around 8:45 p.m. On the 7th of August when I came to know about the Karipur airplane incident, that the plane had overshooted the runway at Karipur airport. And just when I came to know about it, it was really shocking for me, and I didn't know what to do because I'm not working right now. I'm preparing for my PG entrance from home. I graduated last year, and I did my internship at Government General Hospital, and I was right now I'm sitting at home preparing for my PG entrance. So I'm not working anywhere to run into my workplace. So when I came to know about this, I just wanted to know what can I do from my part, and I just looked at the news. I was searching if there were any survivors, and at that time the unfortunate passing away of the pilot had come out, and I just wanted to know what I could do. And I called up my doctor at the Government General Hospital, and he told me that I could come right away because they needed all the help that they could. So as soon as the doctor told me that I could go in, I, without a second delay, I went in right away. And when I entered the hospital, the sight was so overwhelming what I saw there. All the doctors, nurses, nursing assistants, cleaning staff, everyone were so ready. They were all donned, fully donned in PPE, and waiting for any situation that might come in. And it was just so much. I mean, it moved me so much as a doctor. All the doctors, there were easily over 20 doctors over there from all the departments, including ortho, surgery, even ENT, and of that, everyone from every department, they were all there, including the superintendent, everyone. And it was amazing to look at it. I mean, just to think about their selflessness and dedication towards their work, it really moved me as a doctor. And being a junior doctor, having such an experience is, I think it's a huge thing. And a team of 10 interns from our hospital had already reached the airport, and by the time they could reach there and do their work, the victims of the airplane crash had already been transported to hospitals by the locals of Malappuram and Kozhikode. That was such a proud moment for me, and to know that people of I was really happy to know that the people acted really fast at such a situation. They weren't waiting for anyone to tell them to do it, or they weren't worried about the COVID situation or the heavy downpour that was happening. Kozhikode is already in red alert for the floods right now, and they didn't care about all that. They just wanted to help people. They wanted to act really fast and do their part. They took their own cars and came and took the patients, and they took them to the nearby hospitals. That's what helped us control the number, bring down the number of casualties. It's because of their fast response to the situation that really needs to be appreciated. The local people of Malappuram and Kozhikode, they helped us in so many ways. And so back at her hospital, we were waiting for the patients to come. The patients still hadn't come in because they were already taken to the local hospitals. So they were first triaged over there and then brought to our hospital for major procedures or surgeries. So patients still hadn't come into our hospital, but people were pouring in to give blood donations. That was it was really something that moved me, as a human being. We were all people were lining up outside the hospital to donate blood. It's for people that they don't even know. It's at 1 a.m., 2 a.m. at night, and they were it was raining heavily, and the COVID pandemic is going on, but they just wanted to help people. There is so much humanity in them, and it was amazing to look at it. All people were coming in to give blood at 1 a.m., 2 a.m. in the night. It was really it was a different experience altogether. So this was my experience from the Karipur airplane incident that I just wanted to share. it was altogether it was a very different experience for me as a doctor and as a human being. It moved me in so many levels. The dedication and selflessness of the doctors and nurses, everyone, the whole medical fraternity, and the selflessness, the humanity in the people of Kozhikode and Malappuram. It was so much. I mean, I was so overwhelmed that day with so many emotions. So I just wanted to share it. Yeah. So thank you.